Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope you all will be feeling better. Today I am having very important and convenient sentences with its Urdu translation. These sentences are very common to use in conversation and these are very especially collected for daily conversation. I made this video just for you, so please don't miss this video. You must watch it full, so let's get going. Some important sentences and convenient sentences with its Urdu translation. चंद लाजमी और मुफीद जुमले उर्दू तर्जुमे के साथ. The first sentence is चलते हैं प्यारे. Farewell dear. Farewell dear. नाश्ता तैयार कर लो. Make the breakfast. Make the breakfast. वो अपने दफ्तर से कितनी बजे छुट्टी करते हैं? At what does he leave his office? At what does he leave his office? ये इतना आसान है कि एक बच्चा भी कर सकता है. It is so easy that even a child can do it. It is so easy that even a child can do it. वाह वाह, marvelous, marvelous. The next sentence is मैंने बहुत सी चीज़ें गुम कर दी है. I have lost many a thing. I have lost many a thing. हम बड़ी मुश्किल से वक्त गुजारते हैं. We lead a very hard life. We lead a very hard life. वो हादसे से बार बार बचा. He had a narrow escape back in the accident. He had a narrow escape back in the accident. मैं वहाँ पर था. मैं वहाँ से पिछले हफ्ते लौटा हूँ. I was there, but I came back last week. I was there, but I came back last week. मेहरबानी करके जल्दी कीजिए. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. वो अपने मकान के अंदर गया. He went into his house. He went into his house. वो कंगाल हो गया है. He has turned pauper. He has turned pauper. मैं भी ये नहीं करूँगा. I won't do that either. I won't do that either. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's get going. Let's get going. मैं आज थोड़ा परेशान हूँ. I am a bit worried today. I am a bit worried today. ये रहने के लिए बड़ी अच्छी जगह है. It's great place to live. It is great place to live. मैं आपको बहुत याद करता हूँ. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. नहीं, अभी नहीं. No, not yet. No, not yet. मुझे इस बारे में थोड़ा पता है. I know a bit about it. I know a bit about it. इंटरनेट पर तलाश करो. Look it up on internet. Look it up on internet. मुझे कुछ काम मिला है करने के लिए. I have got some work to do. I have got some work to do. मैं एक कप चाय लेना चाहूँगा. I would like to have a cup of tea. I would like to have a cup of tea. बात तुम्हें करनी होगी. You have to do the talking. You have to do the talking. वो कहाँ था? Where had he been? Where had he been? किसी को नहीं पता. Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows. मैं दो जुबानें बोलता हूँ. मैं दो जुबानें बोलता हूँ या मैं कई जुबानें बोलता हूँ. I am bilingual. I am bilingual. आपको यहाँ देखकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to see you here. I am glad to see you here. इसमें मसला क्या है? What's wrong with it? या what is wrong with it? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That shouldn't happen. or that should not happen. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I did not mean it. I didn't mean it. मैं उसे सिर्फ नाम से जानता हूँ. I just know him by name. I just know him by name. वो एन मौके पर आया. He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. वो आजकल छुट्टी पर है. He is on leave these days. He is on leave these days. ऐसी बात नहीं है. It is not like that. कैसे आना हुआ? Wind brings you here. Wind brings you here. इससे और खुशी की बात क्या हो सकती है? Nothing could be happier than this. Nothing could be happier than this. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. It is not like that. It is not like that. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? आप कितनी भोली हैं? You are so naive. You are so naive. तुम्हारे हाथ कैसे लगा? How did you come by this? How did you come by this? उसे मेरी नजरों से दूर ले जाओ. Get him out of my sight. Get him out of my sight. शायद आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं. Maybe you don't recognize me. Maybe you did not recognize me. तुम भी कोई नवाब नहीं हो. You are not a nabob either. You are not a nabob either. तुम बात करने के लायक नहीं. You don't deserve talking. You did not deserve talking. इतनी देर हो गई है. It has been so long. It has been so long. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. I won't spare you. I will not spare you. आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing a party? When are you throwing a party? तुम्हारे चेहरे पर इतनी मुस्कुराहट क्यों है? Why is there so much smile on your face? Why is there so much smile on your face? मैं तुम्हारे खिलाफ मुकदमा करूँगा. I will file a case against you. I will file a case against you. दरअसल बात यह है. Actually, the thing is that. Actually, the thing is that. वो तो बस अपने दिन पूरे कर रहा है. He is just dragging on his days. He is just dragging on his days. ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है? Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? खुदा करे तुम्हारे सब ख्वाब पूरे हों. May all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true. क्या मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलूं? Shall I go accompany you? Shall I go accompany you? तुम मुझे बहुत अजीज हो. You are very dear to me. You are very dear to me. इसी तरह पानी नहीं पीते. One doesn't drink water like this. One does not drink water like this. देखो तुम मुझसे पीटोगे. Mind you, you will be beaten up by me. Mind you, you will be beaten up by me. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think like that. Don't even think like that. मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊंगा. I would not go so far. I wouldn't go so far. तुम मेरी बराबरी नहीं कर सकते. You cannot be equal to me. You cannot be equal to me. इसको मुझसे बहुत हमदर्दी है. He have great sympathy to me. He have great sympathy to me. क्या दुश्मनी है तुमको मुझसे? क्या दुश्मनी है तुमको मुझसे? What enmity do you have with me? What enmity do you have with me? ये किसकी करतूत है? Whose act is this? Whose act is this? मेरा काम सिर्फ तुम्हें बताना था. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. जल्दी ही क्या है? What is the rush? What is the rush? यार मेरा काम तो बन गया. Buddy, I have gained my object. Buddy, I have gained my object. क्या बक रहे हो? What are you blabbering? What are you blabbering? जिंदगी मौत की अमानत है. Life is entrusted to death. Life is entrusted to death. मैं किसी पर कोई बोझ नहीं हूँ. I am not a burden to anyone. I am not a burden to anyone. खाक अच्छा है ये. The hell it's good. The hell it's good. इतनी समझ तो मुझे है. I have this much sense. I have this much sense. ये दुकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This shop is vacant to let. This shop is vacant to let. तुम मुझ पर क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. We will have to do something or other. We will have to do something or other. अगर तुम खुश हो तो मैं भी खुश हूँ. If you are happy, then I'm happy too. If you are happy, then I am happy too. मैं तुम्हें कैसे भूल सकता हूँ? How could I forget you? How could I forget you? तारीफ करते इसका मुंह नहीं तकता. He gives immense praise. He gives immense praise. जिंदगी ऐसी ही होती है. Such is life. Such is life. इतनी सी जान गज भर की जुबां. So young, a yard of tongue. So young, a yard of tongue. कोशिश करने वालों को कभी हार नहीं होती. Those who keep on trying never lose. Those who keep on trying never lose. ऐसे हालात में तुम कहाँ जाओगे? In this situation, where will you go? In this situation, where will you go? मैं तुम्हारी बुरी हरकतों से खूब वाकिफ हूँ. I am well aware of your misdoings. I am well aware of your misdoings. मैं यहाँ तुमसे अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने नहीं आया. I am not here to get insulted by you. I am not here to get insulted by you. तुम ये बात प्यार से भी तो कह सकते थे. You could have said it to me politely. You could have said it to me politely. You could have said it to me politely. तुम किसी काम के नहीं. You are of no use. You are of no use. तुम मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकते. You cannot do anything to me. You cannot do anything to me. तुम ऐसा कहने वाले कौन होते हो? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say that? हर बंदे को अपनी फिक्र करनी चाहिए. Every man for himself. Every man for himself. मैं अपनी मर्जी का मालिक हूँ. I am my own man. I am my own man. बहुत तंग किया है तुमने मुझे. You have harassed me a lot. You have harassed me a lot. तुम तो महंगाई की तरह पीछे ही पड़ गए हो. You are after me like inflation. You are after me like inflation. Inflation means महंगाई. मेरे पास इतना ईंधन है कि मैं घर पहुंच जाऊं. I have sufficient fuel to get home. I have sufficient fuel to get home. मुझे बाल कटवाने हैं. I have to get a haircut. I have to get a haircut. तुम्हें खुद को संभालना चाहिए. You must compose yourself. You must compose yourself. हर जगह ऐसा ही है. It is the same all over. It is the same all over. मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो. Don't test my patience. Do not test my patience. मुझे तुमसे बहुत सी बातें करनी है. I have so much to talk to you. I have so much to talk to you. वो कोई और नहीं तुम ही थे. He was none other than you. He was none other than you. इतना बताओ जितना पूछा है. You just tell me what I asked. You just tell me what I asked. आवारागर्दी करने का क्या फायदा? What is the use of rambling? What is the use of rambling? जरा अपना हाल तो देखो. Just have a look on your state. Just have a look on your state. मैं अभी तैयार होता हूँ. I will be ready in a moment. I'll be ready in a moment. मैं इसकी बातों में आ गया. I was misled by him. I was misled by him. वो तेज तेज चलती है या वो तेज तेज चलता है. She walks briskly. He walks briskly. I walk briskly. मैं तेज तेज चलता हूँ. I walk briskly. मैं तुम्हें ताना नहीं मार रहा. I am not taunting you. I am not taunting you. आओ सीधी तरह बात करते हैं. Let's talk turkey. Let's talk turkey. तुम बिला उदास हो जाते हो. You become sad for no reason. You become sad for no reason. मजाक के अलावा ये सच है. Joking apart, it's true. Joking apart, it's true. रात खूब नींद नहीं आई. I had sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. ये तुम्हारे चेहरे पर साफ साफ लिखा है. It is written all over your face. It is written all over your face. मैं सुबह से घर से निकला हूँ. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. यह सड़क किधर जाती है? Where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to? मैंने अपना मकान बदल दिया. I have shifted from the old place. I have shifted from the old place. उसने गुस्ताखाना सलूक किया. He behaved very rudely. He behaved very rudely. ये सड़क आवाम के लिए बंद है. This road is closed for the public. This road is closed for the public. अब मैं ज़्यादा इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer now. I can't wait any longer now. ये बड़ी खौफनाक बात है. This is a dreadful thing. This is a dreadful thing. दूध फट गया है. Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. जब दूध खराब हो जाता है तो फट जाता है, खराब हो जाता है. Milk has turned sour. मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ या मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am dead tired. I am dead tired. आओ गपशप लगाए. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. कमरा साफ होना चाहिए. The room should be clean. The room should be clean. आपसे कोई मिलने आया है. There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ हूँ. आज सुबह मैं देर से जाग गया हूँ. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather? How is the weather? 9 बजने में 20 मिनट है. It is 20 to 9. It is 20 to 9. जनाब क्या वक्त हुआ है या मेहरबानी करके क्या वक्त हुआ है. What is the time please? What is the time please? फिक्र ना कीजिए. Don't worry. Do not worry. आप देर से क्यों आए? Why have you came late? Why have you came late? ये तो जान जोकों का काम है. It is an uphill task. It is an uphill task. मैं सैर हो गया हूँ. I have done. I have done. ये मेरा सामान है. This is my baggage. This is my baggage. क्या आप कुछ आराम करना चाहते हैं? Do you want some rest? Do you want some rest? क्या उसने आपको कुछ देना है? Does he owe you anything? Does he owe you anything? क्या आपको कुछ रोटी चाहिए? Do you want some bread? Do you want some bread? आप इतने गमगीन क्यों हो? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? वो अरबी में माहिर है. He is at home in Arabic. He is at home in Arabic. मेरा घर खाली कर दो. Vacate my house. Vacate my house. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be settled. Everything will be settled. अपना नाम रजिस्टर करवा लो. Get your name registered. Get your name registered. इससे बचकर रहो. Beware of him. Beware of him. मेरी भूख खत्म हो गई है. I lost my appetite. I lost my appetite. जनाब की तारीफ या क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name? May I know your name? ये ब्रेक नहीं लगती. This brake doesn't work. This brake does not work. आप फिक्र ना करें. आप फिक्र ना करें. You need not worry. You need not worry. या आपको फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं. आप फिक्र ना करें या आपको फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं. You need not worry. You need not worry. बाईं तरफ चलो. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. आप कहाँ उतरेंगे? Where are you getting off? Where are you getting off? कितनी देर लगेगी? How long will it take? How long will it take? हाँ बस यही है. That is all. That is all. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait. I can't wait. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो. Do not argue with me. Don't argue with me. मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो. Don't try my patience. Do not try my patience. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जाऊं या ठहरूं? Should I leave or stay? Should I leave or stay? ये मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. मैं इस मामले पर सोचूंगा. I will think over this matter. I will think over this matter. मैं इसके फरेब में आ गया. I got duped by him. I got duped by him. जैसे आपकी मर्जी। एज यू लाइक, एज यू लाइक। मुझे सख्त भूख लगी है। आई एम awful hungry, आई एम awful hungry। हरगिज नहीं। Not at all, not at all। झगड़े का फैसला हो गया। The quarrel is settled, the quarrel is settled। वो तुम्हारी खैर ख्वाह नहीं है। She is not your well wisher, he is not your well wisher। ये बहुत बड़ा मंसूबा है। It is a very ambitious plan, it is a very ambitious plan। क्या वो अभी तक यहीं है? Is she still here, is she still here। तुम्हारा दिमाग ठीक होने वाला है। Your mind needs repairing,